Hi everyone, welcome back to another Tech Theory video. In today's video, I am going to talk about Microsoft PowerToys. So Microsoft PowerToys is a set of utilities for power users to tune and streamline their Windows experience for greater productivity. So this application has like 12 utilities. You have always on top, PowerToys awake and stuff. I'm going to go through the most important utilities in this video. I'm not going to go through every utility in here because it will take, the video will be longer. So I'm going to make only few important utilities you can use. Okay, let's go into the video and see how each and every utility, how it works and how to use it in your machine as well. Okay, let's get into the video. First, if you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back to the channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Tech Theory. I make tutorials, tips, how-to videos about computers, Windows and others. So if that's your interest, click on the red subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to install Microsoft PowerToys into your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So how to do that? You just need to go to Start button and search for Store. Find Microsoft Store and click on it to open it up. In here, go to Search and type PowerToys. Now you will be able to find this Microsoft PowerToys application, and it's updated and provided by Microsoft. So you don't have to worry about any malware or any other viruses and stuff because it's updated and provided by Microsoft Corporation. So what you need to do is click on Install button to install the application. It will take some time to install. Just wait around. Okay, as you can see, now it says me is installed. Let's see how it's work. Okay, so it's installed and it's open up on my task bar, but I'm gonna go to recommended section and see. I can see PowerToys has been installed, recently added. So click on that. Okay, so first of all, you need to check for updates. Click on check for updates here. And if the PowerToys is up to date, that's okay. If you get a pop-up like you need to install this update, click on install that update and make sure this application is up to date. Okay, so the second thing you need to do is use the administrator mode. So click on this restart PowerToys as administrator. Then click on this one, so it will always run as administrator. Okay, once you've done those two things, you can go ahead of these utilities. So the first utility is always on top. This is always on top is a quick and easy way to pin Windows on top. So that's self-explanatory. So if you open up, let's say I'm gonna open Google Chrome, and let's say I need this Google Chrome window to be always on top. So what you can do is you can press Windows key Control and T, Windows Control T. Then it shows me a border with mentioning that this is a always on top window. So if you click on anywhere in my desktop, if I open any application, it will be always on top of my desktop. So that's always on top feature. I'm gonna close it. Wait. I'll show some settings in here. So you have color mode, which is border color. So if you install the application, you will be able to see this Windows default. But if you want to change it, you can go to custom color and select color here. I'm gonna select yellow, and the thickness of the border, you can change it here as well. So that's always on top feature. So remember this, every utility in here has an activation key. So activation shortcut, you can just press that shortcut key in your keyboard and activate the utility. So let's go into the second one. Second one is awake. So a convenient way to keep the PC awake on demand. So this one doesn't have activation keybind. What you need to do is go into taskbar, and you will be able to find this PowerToys awake. Right click on that and go to mode, and you can make your PC keep awake temporarily for 30 minutes or 2 hours or 1 hour, or you can keep awake indefinitely, so it will keep awake until you restart your machine. Okay, so that's awake feature, awake utility in this application. So the third one is color picker. Color picker is a very important one for me, at least, because I always use colors and hexadecimal values of colors because I am a developer. So I need to find some some colors with the hexadecimal value of that color. So what I can do is, now if you want to find a color in anywhere on your desktop or on your PC, what you need to do is Windows key Shift C, and it will show me a small pop-up with the color picker. So I can press anywhere here. Let's see, I need to find this color. I can click on it, and it will show me the hexadecimal values and the RGB and HSL value of that color. So I can copy it and use it on my graphic designing or web development needs. Okay, so this is a quick and simple system-wide color picker. This is a system-wide one, so you can use in any application anywhere you want. If you see something on your screen on your desktop, you can check what color is that in that area. Okay, so that's the color picker, very important one. So let's move on to the next one, fancy zone. So fancy zone is create a window layout to make your multitasking easier. So you can create layout in your monitor. Let's say you have a wide screen monitor, a wider screen monitor. So you can't use the Windows default layout because it optimizes for normal widescreen monitor. But if you have very wide screen monitor, you need to have like something like fancy zone to help you out. So what you can do is click on Windows key Shift and this icon, and it will open up a layout. So I'm gonna click on this one, private layout. These are predefined layouts you can use, and also you can create one for yourself by creating a new layout in here. So I'm just, for this video, I'm going to click this one and I'm going to close it. Now what you need to do is press and hold for Shift key. Then I'm going to open some window. Press and hold Shift key, left Shift key. Then you can move your window to any layout you want. Okay, so if I put here, it will go there. So that's fancy zone. You can make your monitor you can create a layout as you want. And if you click on launch layout editor, it will show me the layout editor, and I can go to create and grid, create, and I can like adjust these things and how I want. Okay, so that's fancy zone. I think some people will be interested on this one. And let's go to mouse settings. I'm gonna go through all the utilities in here. Just go any utility you want, and if you want to, in every utility there are small description like create window layout to help make multitasking easier. If you don't understand what this utility doing, you can click on learn more about fancy zone, and it will open up article about how it works, what that utility is doing to your machine. So I'm not going to go through everyone. I'm going to skip these things. Just go go through them and see whether it's gonna work, whether you want that utility or not. So I'm gonna go through mouse utility. So this is bit important one, because if you're not using your mouse very often, you can't find your mouse in your desktop. If you're using your keyboard a lot, then you try to find your mouse cursor, you can't find it. So in here you can choose two different way to identify your mouse cursor, where the mouse cursor is in your desktop. So the first one is activation method is press left control twice. So if I press left control twice, it will show me here your mouse pointer is. And also you can put shake mouse. Then if you shake your mouse, it will show where the mouse cursor is right now. Okay, so that's mouse utilities. And also you have mouse highlighter. If you press Windows Shift H, and right now you can see if you click on somewhere now, it will show me a highlighter about my clicks. Okay, so that's this one. I'm gonna off this one for now. Okay, so that's mouse utilities. Let's go to PowerToys Run. So this is like if you used Linux distributions or Mac OS, you can find quick launcher. So in Windows 11 or Windows 10, we don't find that quick launcher. You just need to go here and search for the application you want. So in this application, you can use this quick launcher, has additional capabilities without sacrificing performance. So let's try it out. Alt and space. You press Alt and space, it will come this start typing text box with typing. Just type an application or something you can use. So let's type Google. If I type Google, it come Google Drive, Google Chrome, all the relevant applications. So I'm going to click Google Chrome here, and it will open my Google Chrome application. So that's PowerToys. You can go through all these settings and how it works. I'm not going to go through all of them because it will this video will be longer. So that's what I'm gonna show you today. So that's it for today's video. Just download this application, just run it out, because it's totally free. You don't have to pay anything, and it's updated and developed by Microsoft Corporation, so you don't have to worry about any other things. And you can go each and every feature here, utility here, and find out what it's doing and how that utility is working. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope this video helpful for you to find out how to use PowerToys and how to install it, and how to use it, and how to use these utilities each one by one. Okay, so see you next time with another great video like this. Remember, subscribe to the channel, like this video. If you have any question, comment on this video, because I'm gonna reply you back. And see you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.